So by 8 p.m. today, I'm gonna go broke. What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be doing something that I have been wanting to do since September. Well, I'm gonna get my new phone today, and if you want to know more, just keep watching. Also, if you're new, do not forget to subscribe and click the bell so that way you will not miss a video that I make. If you enjoyed this video, please prove it by giving this video a thumbs up. And I know you're not gonna do it, but please give this video a like. And follow me on my Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. Links down below. Well, usernames. Now without further ado, let's start. Alright, so the phone that I'm getting is the iPhone 11 in purple, but I want to show you guys the phone that I have right now. So this is the phone that I currently have right now. So this is the iPhone 8 Plus. I have been having this phone since 2018, I think. So it's been almost 3 years because it's almost 2021. The reason why I decided to get a new phone is because the camera quality on this phone is not good anymore, and I don't think companies sell phone cases in this phone anymore. Also, when I looked on the website, well, on the Apple Store website, it doesn't list this kind of phone. So, oh, did you guys see my notifications? I hope you didn't, because I didn't want y'all to see my business. I have been dropping this phone almost every single day, and it's by accident, not on purpose, and I hope that I didn't do any damage to this phone. Plus, this phone is pretty much kind of heavy, and ooh, I almost dropped my phone on camera. So the phone is also pretty wide. I'm sorry if this camera is moving too much. It's because I'm holding it and I have a tripod that the camera is attached to, so yeah. Well, overall, I think it is time for a change. So I have been saving a lot of time and money because I want to have enough money to buy it, because and also the iPhone 12 just came out maybe a month ago, or I don't remember, but I'm happy that I waited for the phone to come out because I don't want to spend $800 on a phone, because I know I got time to pay $800 for a phone. And I'm obviously not going to film myself going into the store or while I'm walking to the store, because I don't want to get caught, and I'm afraid something bad might happen to me if I get caught filming. Even though I did film myself getting the phone approximately 2 years ago. And there's also cases that I received in the mail maybe last week, I think, which will not be revealed until my next video. And plus, I heard that iOS 14 is supposed to be amazing, which I've seen a lot of images of it, and that you can customize it however you want, which I am very excited to do when I get the phone. And now I'm going to be showing you guys the accessories I got with the phone, because I'm extra that way. So this is my AirPod case, and this is the screen protector for the phone, and this stand, like as you can see, it shows what it looks like on the box. And yep, so not now, but later on today, my father and I are gonna go to the Apple Store and get the phone, even though that there will be a limit of people that are supposed to be in the store. And well, that's pretty much what I'm gonna say for now. So what I'm gonna do is, while I wait for my dad to get home, I'm gonna take off this screen protector, and I'm going to charge up this phone just in case if I need to have a specific battery percentage on this phone. And so far this phone is 56%, and well, I don't know how it got up to that percentage. I didn't use my phone that much today. Anyways, so I'm gonna keep you all updated about what's happening and when am I going to store. And yes, I have schoolwork. I have a essay due on December 4th, which is 751,000 words. Yeah, that's how long the essay is, and that's how many words are supposed to be included in the essay. Well, I'm gonna stop talking, do schoolwork, and well, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not saying how to do it. Well, I'm pretty sure you all are in school right now doing online or in-person school. Okay, so I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna keep you all updated about what's happening and everything. So I'll see you all in a little bit later. Bye. Alright everyone, so it is now, oh my gosh, it is 3:58 right now. My dad is home from work, so I'm going to let you all know when I get home and when I think about the phone and everything. So that's what is up. So well, as you all can see, it's almost getting dark outside because the daylight savings ended this month. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to maybe film stuff while I'm at the Apple store, maybe, but I don't know. So let's see y'all later. What's up? So I was at the mall for maybe 2 hours or so, but I got my phone. And the reason why that didn't unbox it and I don't have it set up is because due to the coronavirus, they couldn't set it up with me or for me. And it's a good thing I got a screen protector and that the person who is helping me put it on for me, because well, I guess that is a professional way of doing it. And well, I don't even know. So I had a 256 gigabyte phone because I take a lot of pictures. So oh, and also as you all can see on the box, it's pretty much a lavender or lilac color, which I think is really, really pretty. And oh my gosh, what else was I gonna say? Well, oh now I know. Please excuse the lighting. I know it looks bad on camera. Well, I can't see the lighting on my camera. Oh, and I also went to Victoria's Secret just because, well, I had to. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys what the phone looks like, and I'm also going to be setting out the phone, and it will take a while to actually set up everything. So while that is gonna be processing, I'm gonna go eat because I haven't eaten anything since, let's just say, 8:45 this morning. I'm not exaggerating. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. So before I even set up everything, this is oh my god, this is what the phone looks like. And you guys, it is super pretty. Like, oh my god. And it kind of matches my nails, sort of. Oh my god, I just tapped on a button. Oh shoot, I actually did. I pressed that button by accident. So that's what I'm gonna show you guys for now. And there is a screen protector on the phone already, so that way I don't have to do it. So I'm gonna put my phone right here and I'll let you guys know when it's all set up. Hello everyone, this is the next day of me using my phone, and I couldn't film myself reviewing and showing you guys what the phone really looks like and how it is set up. Well, the reason why I couldn't finish is because I had to download the iOS 14 plus customize the apps to make it pretty. And if you want me to make a video about what my home screen looks like with the iOS 14 update, but let me tell you what, it looks stunning. If you want me to make a video about that, give this video a thumbs up or just let me know in the comments. And please excuse this terrible lighting. My lamp on my dresser is on, so sorry about the lighting. And also I ordered a case for my phone, which is this. So I know I just showed you guys the front side, not the back side of the phone, because well, I ordered 4 phone cases from a website that is very, very popular. And if you want to know where I got the case, then just stay tuned until my phone case review video. I'm not going to announce what video will be about because It's a surprise. If you still want to find out anyway, just stay tuned until the video. Alright, thanks for watching. I'm sorry if this video was boring, but hey, it's a huge upgrade. This is gonna be my last upgrade because, well, I love my new phone. So I'll see you guys in my next video when it's uploaded. This video will not be up maybe until later on this month. Okay, peace out.